Hello everybody, welcome to this week's Film It Friday. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then keep on watching. Shut up, Megs. And welcome to my Film It Friday. You can hear Megan shouting in the background because like she's horrible and picking on me. So I hope everyone's okay. What have I been up to this week? Well, Megs, tell us, what should we tell the story of the 7-minute exercise thing? So I'm going on holiday soon, and I tried on some of my summer dresses, and shocker, they don't fit because I've like piled the weight on. So I was like having an absolute panic. It's my own fault because how I had an eating disorder before I never know, because I don't have like the willpower to do it now whatsoever, and I just eat like junk all the time and I just don't care. But I couldn't fit into any of these really nice summer dresses, so I was like, oh my god, my life is over. And me and Megs, I looked on YouTube for this 7-minute, I'll link it down below actually, 7 days, 7 minutes, and it's like this fat burn for your belly. Oh my god, me and Megan started it yesterday, and this morning my sides are killing, and we've just done it for today. And even though it sounds like 7 minutes is really easy, it is brutal, like completely brutal. So I will keep you updated next week, and I will let you know if I've suddenly got like abs like Madonna. I can't think of anybody else that has really good abs as a female, but apart from Madonna. So yeah, I will keep you updated on that. And it does like literally kill you. Like I could not wait, like move this morning. And day 2, I thought day 2 was going to be easier, but it's not, it's harder. Anyway, right, crochet wise, I have finished this blanket. I just need to do a couple more things to go in the box, Lucy, and then I'm sending it to you. So this is the blanket, finally finished. Da, da, da. I will put the link to where I got the yarn. It's from Lolly's Little Wool Shack or something. It's this lovely chenille yarn. I have shown it before. So that is done. I'm ready to go. I've just got to pop some extra little bits in the box for the lovely Lucy, who was my mentor. So I was on placement this time last year with a community team, and Lucy was my mentor, and now we're like really good friends, and I've also nominated Lucy for a Best Mentor Award, so she better win it with Yui. She better win those £100 vouchers anyway. And now I am doing this blanket for my daughter's best friend whose baby is due in about 2 weeks. This blanket is just doing my knotting because I'm really bad with Pico crochet, whatever you call it, the gappy bits, because I just lose my mind over it. My concentration is absolutely terrible. So for this I am using sugar and cream. So I bought some of this back from Florida when I went 2 years ago, but I didn't bring enough back, so Selena kindly sent me some more so I can get it finished. So I'm just going to do, I reckon I'm going to do about 2 more hearts, and then I am done. I have made the pattern up, I will write it up for you. But the amount of times that I've had to pull this back because I got it wrong is unbelievable, honestly. It's been mental. So, sorry, I'm like completely dying here. I've also got these 2 carrot cakes that Renee sent me. Now, can people leave suggestions in the comments box below of what I can make with these 2 carrot cakes? They are so soft. It's got a bag on there, but I don't fancy making a bag. I don't know what I fancy making, and there's 2 skeins and they are... Oh no, there's a scarf on this one that requires 2 skeins. Oh, it's knit. yeah, again, my camera's going blurry. I didn't know what it's doing, so I do apologise. Yeah, so leave a comment down below if you have any ideas for those. Anything else? I got my essay and I haven't really done a lot this week because, as per usual, Alexandra leaves her work to the last minute, and that had to be yesterday by 2 PM, so I got that done. I got a couple of book subscription boxes this week which I've opened on other videos. I will leave the links to those. And that is about it. So everybody, I hope you all have a lovely rest of the week, and hopefully I'll be back on Sunday with a tutorial. So thanks for watching. Happy crochet. Let me know if you're doing the 7-day challenge with me. Yeah, I'll leave the link below for that as well. Take care, happy crocheting. Bye.